everybody, I am Kate with Crate Insider, and every week here on this channel I put out another video. This highlights some of the products that we have in our shop and ways that these products can help you in your racing, especially if you are running a GM crate engine, because that's why we're Crate Insider. So if you like what we're doing here, please do us a favor and hit that like and subscribe, especially over on YouTube. It really helps our channel to grow. So with that, let's take a look at a few products this week. It is clearly getting warmer out there. We're going into summer here, into June, and some of those hottest months ahead. So it's a good time to take a look at Kool-Aid if you are looking for a product to be able to put into your radiator to make things cooler. We've got it in a couple of different ways. This is the ready to use. So here you would not have to use, you wouldn't have to dilute it at all. You could just go ahead and put it in. Otherwise, you can dilute this one. That way it's nice and compact. It's a little cheaper to ship when they're small like that. And then of course we always recommend using distilled water in your radiator. But with either of these are going to act, like an antifreeze type of thing, where it's going to allow it to be, it's a surfactant, it's going to be cooler and really help to bring those temperatures down in your water in your radiator. So with that, if you're looking for a way to cool down a little bit for your race car, Kool-Aid is a great way to go. In this product spotlight, we're taking a look at Day-Lube. This is a high-performance grease, and interestingly, for this channel, it's one of the very first videos that I ever shot for this channel way back in 2015, 2016, somewhere around there. But a Day-Lube, it works great on any number of things. So if you need to grease your heim joints, also things just kind of around your house and your shop. I've seen this used on gun slides, used wherever you would use grease, and you can use it in the tub, or this is a 16-ounce jar. We have a 16-ounce tube, or for precision greasing, this is great for bearings. And reason why for your bearings, you really want to be able to grease every other hole rather than all of it. I know the old way is to just slather it all in grease, but what can happen with no airflow, you can actually end up with overheating issues. So really the suggested method now would be to grease every other spot in there and allow some of that airflow to allow it to cool off. So this is our 1-ounce syringe, and so 3 ways to buy it, but Day-Lube, it's a fantastic grease for all of your lubrication needs wherever you need grease. All right, in this product spotlight, we're taking a look at fast firewire, and this is one of my favorite sets of the spark plug wires that we sell. One thing about them is all of the wires these are meant for 602, 604, any of our small block Chevys, and each of the wires are marked with what cylinder it goes with. Also comes with a coil wire, whether you need it or not. So I know if you're running an HEI, you won't need a coil wire, but for everyone else, it comes with it. Now these I really like because they are heat resistant over 400 degrees. So those engine temperatures can get really hot, and obviously you can have some wires fail because the engine heat will just burn them up, but you won't have that problem with these. They also have a really low resistance. So anytime you're moving electricity, you're always going to have a little bit of loss somewhere on the line, but this is really only looking at 30 ohms per foot. So it's a really low resistance that you can find in these wires. So it is definitely one of our favorites and a favorite of so many of the racers who shop with us, and that is our fast fire wire, and you can find that on our website at CrateInsider.com. All right, so this product spotlight is for my customers who run street stock race cars, especially on dirt, and that is our ProFab street stock headers. These are for your metric chassis, for the Crate Racing USA metric chassis. A great choice. They're going to have a crossover style header, and they're really maximized to give you the most amount of power and torque. So if you're looking for a new set of headers for your street stock, we've got a great choice for you, and that is our ProFab street stock headers, which of course you can pick up right here at CrateInsider.com. All right, so there you have it, a few of our highlights for this week. And as I mentioned in the beginning, do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe. And you know what, if you're looking for a story, if you guys haven't, I am totally mesmerized at this point by the whole Reckless Ben and Bricks and Minifigs. tell me I'm not alone. Let me know that you are also watching this, because I cannot take my eyes off of that entire story. So drop it in the comments and let me know if you're following it too. But with that, I'll see you guys in the next video.